How to turn off focus on iPhone permanently. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the focus option and tap on it. You will see a list of all your current focus profiles. Tap on the specific focus profile that you wish to remove. Once you are inside the settings for that specific focus, scroll all the way to the bottom of the screen. Select Delete Focus. A confirmation box will appear to ensure you don't delete it by accident. Tap Delete Focus again to permanently remove the profile from your iPhone. The profile will disappear from your list, and any associated schedules or automations will be erased. While you cannot turn off the entire focus system, you can permanently delete any unwanted profiles to prevent them from activating accidentally. Following these steps, you can easily turn off focus on iPhone permanently.